HERTZ Systems is one of the most respected companies in the field of space technologies in Poland. It sets trends in the development and implementation of groundbreaking solutions in security systems, military-grade IT, and GPS systems. For years, HERTZ Systems has been producing and supplying GPS receivers with the SAASM module to equip battle platforms. Solutions designed by HERTZ Systems have repeatedly proven themselves in the field during the heat of battle. Thousands of hours requiring watchmaker-like precision resulted in the creation of a fully automated system for detecting, monitoring, and neutralizing drones. Thanks to the highest quality, uncompromising standards, and a dedicated team of creative specialists, for this company there are no limits.